Hi, I'm Cheryl, and I am so glad to have you joining our VBS team this year. We're going to be doing a fun theme. The title is Kingdom Rock. It is a medieval theme, and we'll be teaching the children how to be strong in the Lord. Our VBS this year is June the 18th through the 21st, from 8:45 in the morning to 12:30. Now, if you look at your calendars, the 18th is on Tuesday. Yes, we are starting VBS on Tuesday this year, and it's going to go through Friday. There'll be a big kickoff on Monday night. I want you to be on the lookout for more information coming to you through the internet. We're going to be doing some innovative ways of training you through the internet this year instead of you having to come down to the church. But in the meantime, we want you to be sure to look at our VBS blog at www.johnsonferryvbs.com. And we are so glad to have you joining our team this year at VBS.